Good morning students, welcome back to another video lesson of class 2nd English. Today in this video lesson we are going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is The Wind and the Sun. So in this lesson there is a small competition between the wind and the sun to find out that which one is stronger. So let's start. Wind. Now wind is saying to sun that, "Sun, can you see that man walking down the road?" Now there they are. The wind is here and the sun is here and they are talking about a man who is walking down the road. As you can see in the picture right over here, the man is walking down the road. Now wind says to sun that, "Sun, can you see that man walking down the road? I can get his coat off more quickly than you can." Now the man is wearing a coat. You can see it in the picture. The man is wearing a coat and the wind challenges the sun that he can get his coat off more quickly than you can. Now the sun smiling, "We will see who is stronger. I will let you try first." Now the sun let the wind try first. Now the wind tries. Wind, puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. Now the wind air is puffing his cheeks and blowing hard. The wind is blowing air with high speed. Woo, woo, woo. Now the man says, "How strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away." Now the man says, "How strong the wind is today. It is blowing my coat away. I must hold it tightly round myself." Now the man tried harder to hold the coat round himself. Wind trying more harder, the wind blowing harder. Woo, woo. Now the wind is applying more pressure. Now what did the man do? Pulling his coat more tightly and saying, "How cold it is." Now the man tried more hard to hold the coat more tightly and saying, "How cold it is." Now the man is not letting the coat off. Now wind is saying to sun, "Sun, I give up. I cannot get his coat off." Now the wind gave up because the coat is not getting off the man. He is unable to get his coat off. Now sun, "Now it is my turn." Now it's sun's turn. "Let me try." He shines hard. Now the sun shines hard and makes the weather hot. Now the sun shines hard and makes the weather hot. Now the man is saying, "What a funny day. It was so cold and now it is so hot." And what did the sun do then? Shining harder. Now the sun is shining more brightly in the sky. As you can see in the picture, the sun is shining very bright. "I will make him feel hotter and hotter." Now the sun is trying to make the man feel hotter and hotter. The man, wiping his face, says, "I must take off my coat." And he took off his coat. Now who has won, sun or the wind? As you can see clearly, the sun is able to get the coat of the man. So now sun is saying to the wind, "Wind, I have won. I have made him take off his coat." So that was the story. In the end, the sun has won. Now here are some new words from this chapter. The first new word is road. R-O-A-D. Road. Second new word is coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Next is quickly. 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 Now quickly means very fast. Stronger. 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 Next word is cheeks. 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 And the last new word is won. 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 Now here are some question answers for you. The reading is fun part. We will discuss the question answers now. The first question here is, what did the wind do to get the man's coat off? Now what did the wind do? As you can see here, the wind puffed his cheeks and blowing hard. So there it is, our answer. The wind puffed his cheeks. The wind puffed his cheeks and blowed BLOWED hard to get the man's coat off. Now the next question is, what did the sun do to get the man's coat off? The answer will be, the sun shone brightly, or you can also write harder instead of brightly. The sun shone brightly or harder to get the man's coat off. Next question is, who won in the end? As you all know, the sun won in the end because he was able to get the coat of the man. Now the next question is, who said this to whom? You have to write who said this sentence and to whom. I can get his coat off more quickly than you can. The first sentence, the wind has said this sentence to the sun. Next sentence is, I will let you try first. This sentence has been said by the sun to the wind. Next sentence is, how cold it is. This sentence has been said by the man. This sentence, the man has said it to himself. The man to himself. अपने आप को बोला था, the man to himself. Next is, I give up. I cannot get his coat off. Who gave up? As you all know, the wind has gave up, and this sentence has been said by the wind to the sun. And at last, I have won. This sentence was said by the sun to the wind. Okay students, that's all for